Hi guys, today we're going to finish with our presentation on pH and we're going to talk about how pH affects, excuse me, the fish and plants in our system. So you need your science notebook out and we need to add these to our pH notes. So the pH fish will affect the fish and plants in our system because organisms are adapted to certain environmental factors. So if you look at this, bacteria hold a wide range of pHs. They can survive from anywhere from a pH of 2 to 13. Now, when you get into more complex organisms like frogs, perch, and salamanders, their range they can survive into is very limited. Insects have a little bit of a higher range, but if you look, it's more in the neutral basic as opposed to the acidic. And plants like it neutral to basic. So if it gets acidic, it can really harm the plants in our system. So the range that organisms can survive in is called a range of tolerance, and that is the range of particular factor that our organisms can survive in. They cannot survive if there is too much or too little of a factor. Our koi fish have a maximum range pH between 5.5 and 8.5, but their optimal range is slightly alkaline or basic. So around a 7.5 to an 8 is the ideal range for our koi. Anything more, so if you look at below 4 and above 11, that can lead to death. We want to be right in the middle here. So anything below 7 is acidic and will stress our fish out and could make them sick. So we need to make sure we treat our water ASAP. Daily fluctuations in the pH in our tank is normal. Shifts of less than 1 are within a normal range, and we don't need to respond to them. It's when we see drastic fluctuations of more than a point in pH that we need to worry. Our vegetable plants, so most plants will grow between the pH range of 4.5 to 8. And this could really affect our plants. So the soil's acidity or basic alkalinity determines what nutrients are made available to plants. Nutrients like elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium become available to plants when they dissolve in water. Most will not dissolve when the soil is either too acidic or too basic, which means that the plants won't be able to get the nutrients they need. So that's it for our notes. Please make sure you have all of them in your notebook. We are then going to complete our pH review questions. So I have attached that document. Please answer the questions using Kami, or you can print the sheet and answer them that way, and we will go over them in our meet today. Have a great day.